Right, we've got a Tribute 2014. Just let me show you that. It's a Tribute. It's just come in. You can just see a Tribute Sport. And it's a T715 2014. What's the mileage, Paul? If you can just see. Now I know it's got low mileage on it.
139. No, 13.
13,000 miles.
13,955.
So it's done 14,000 miles. Yeah. So it's done 14,000 miles. Now the problem we've got is, see the stickers on here? See the stickers? Okay, we have got habitation stickers. It's got full service history as well. But it's got stickers here all around, so we're going to have to get these off. And again, stickers on here. And all on the side, so we're going to have to get these off. We'll just have a look at the roof. Believe it or not, the roof's not bad. That's a surprise, Paul, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. I wasn't expecting 280.
Is that a little satellite at the back?
I didn't notice that, I just got the roof stuff and just come straight back down to the white box.
So, and I'll just show you inside the van as well. Really nice layout this is. So we've got a fixed bed. And then we have a separate shower and then your toilet. And then somebody's put a microwave in. We've got the sink, fridge, grill, oven. There we go, the sink there. And then what we have got, we have just put a battery charger on it just to give it a charge. There we go. And we have got the 2 belted seats here. So it's quite an unusual layout really, but it's a good family layout. So it's probably a 3/4 berth, but it's going to need a lot of work on it. So, I mean, if you just look. So first port of call is Paul's going to do me a favour. Paul's going to get the roof done on it and get it all rinsed off and washed off. And then what we'll do then is we'll get it over and have a look and do something with the stickers. Right, so here's my little Tribute. Paul washed it off for me. He's done the roof, he's done all the way around, so doesn't look as sorry for itself now. So what I'm going to try and do now, we've got a nice day. I'm going to try and get these stickers off. So if you can see, we'll try and get these stickers off. Right, so the plan is now is to start getting these stickers off. So what I'll need, I need my hairdryer, a little scraper, and the most important thing you can't do without is your seat. So let's get that down. And what we need to do now is we just need to warm up the edge. So we just put this on. I'm not going to put it on too hard. We just need to warm an edge up, don't we, Kev?
Yeah. Why people put stickers on vans, don't they? From a distance, they look like scratches on the door. I thought the door was scratched.
It's nuts, isn't it? Yeah. There we go. Did you see how we've just got it there? And then what we can do, just follow it. There we go, that's taken that one off.
And luckily they've not been on long.
No, they don't. And then what I'll do is I'll show you a bit later on, we'll use some tar and glue to do that. So let's try this one now. So there we go. These haven't been on long, you know.
No. Good, because it didn't overnight. Otherwise you've got tea cut and tar and glue and all sorts.
There we go.
Plus it's a warm day as well, looks like.
I was just going to say that, you know, it's a warm day. There we go.
That's pretty good, that. From that side.
That's quite well, is it? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go round and do the rest of the van and go all the way round. So, see you in a bit. So they seem to be coming off quite well. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that there. Oh, I missed a sticker there. And I missed another one there. I think a bit of, it's hard to see really, a bit of tar and glue onto that. And we'll probably teak up them and wax up the front of it as well. All the side bits have all come off. So again, a bit more tar and glue. I don't think these stickers have been on that long, to be honest, which is a bonus. So then, so we're getting a bit of a break. This is the one I'm not looking forward to, is the one at the back. So we'll have a look, go again this back one off now, eh? Right, let's have a look. No, I think what I'm going to do with that one is I think I'm going to tar and glue that one and see what happens with that there. So I'm quite lucky really, got that one off. I wasn't looking forward to getting that one off. Right, now we've got the stickers off now, so what I'm going to do is got a bit of tar and glue. I'm going to go round and just neaten everything up. Now can you see here? Seeing that? The tar and glue on. There you go. Abracadabra. And then, yeah, we've got another one here. Can you see that, Kev?
I'll see through the camera because it's, yeah, I can see it, yeah. Yeah, it'll show up on the camera.
There you go.
Well, let's see you do the back that quick.
I don't think anybody's remembered about the back until you reminded them, does it? Hey. Why have they put these stickers on? There's one here as well, see it?
They don't even go fast as stickers either, are they?
No. There you go. Might be a bit hard to see on the camera. Shall I have a go at the back one? Come on. Oh, I need to take that one off as well, so I'll go round again and take these off, Kev. Right. See what we can do.
Somebody's peeled this one off already, haven't they?
There you go. Look at that. Oh, I'm feeling confident now, Kev. I'm feeling confident.
No pressure.
Good stuff, this tar and glue, isn't it?
Yeah. It's non-domestic stuff though that we're using it. It's,
What do you mean?
we buy it by the 5 litres, don't we? Oops, it's gone off.
No, just press it.
There we go. Yeah, I don't think you can buy this stuff in a shop, can you?
So it's going off now.
That's what I say, I don't think any of the stickers have been on that long because...
No, we've been lucky.
Yeah, normally you'd still get the outline, wouldn't you?
Right, so that's the back done. I'm pleased how it's come up, but what I will do is I'll come back again tomorrow and have another look again, because you tend to get snow blind really when you're just working away on it. You will miss things that you've not noticed, so it's always good to come back and have another go. So as you can see, that's come up really well. And then as well, I'm going to go round and get these stickers off as well, basically. So yeah, pleased how the stickers have come off. So it's just a matter of going around the van, and just basically just tidying it all up really where the stickers have been.